Cosmic Ape Head. Hello, everyone. Today we're taking a journey to one of the most fascinating yet oddly named regions in space, the Ape Head Nebula, or NGC 2175. Yes, you heard that right. Space has a monkey problem. But don't worry, it's not Planet of the Apes. This beautiful celestial object is located about 6,500 light years away in the constellation Orion. Now, if you're imagining a giant chimp swinging through the stars, hold on. This nebula gets its name because when viewed from Earth, its clouds of gas and dust resemble the profile of an ape's head. It's basically nature's Rorschach test for astronomers. The Ape Head Nebula is a massive cloud of gas and dust that forms what's called an H2 region. What's an H2 region? I'm glad you asked. It's a glowing nursery where new stars are born. Think of it as the cosmic version of a maternity ward, but with a lot more fire and gas. Sounds chaotic, doesn't it? Inside this nebula, young hot stars emit intense ultraviolet light. This radiation ionizes the surrounding hydrogen gas, causing it to glow in stunning shades of red, pink, and orange. It's like the universe's own lava lamp, constantly reshaping and lighting up in spectacular ways. Well, besides the fact that it's drop-dead gorgeous, the Ape Head Nebula is a reminder of how stars, and ultimately life, are formed. The very atoms in your body, like carbon and oxygen, were cooked up in stars just like the ones being born in this nebula. So in a way, we owe our existence to stellar nurseries like this. The stars grow up, explode as supernova, and scatter the building blocks of life. How's that for cosmic origin story? Here's a little astrophysiological twist. The ape head shape isn't an official scientific description. It's just something that our brains recognize. This is called pareidolia, the same phenomena that makes us see faces in clouds or a man on the moon. But hey, who doesn't love a good space monkey? Astronomers don't always agree on its exact shape, but one thing is clear: this nebula is a work of art, and the best part, thanks to modern telescopes like Hubble, we can admire these celestial masterpieces from our tiny corner of the cosmos. Now, I won't lie, it's not something you can spot with your naked eye. To observe NGC 2175, you'll need a telescope, preferably a decent-sized one. If you're lucky enough to live under a dark sky, aim your telescope towards Orion and you might catch a glimpse of this stellar wonder. But don't worry if you don't have a telescope. NASA and other observatories have captured stunning images of this nebula that you can find online. Trust me, they're worth a look. It's like staring into the universe's art gallery. Let's not forget the real question here. Why does the nebula look like an ape? Is the universe trying to tell us something? Well, probably not. But isn't it cool that among the billions of galaxies, stars, and nebula, we found one that reminds us of Earth's curious primates? It's a fun connection between our cosmic home and the vast unknown. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that even something as vast and mysterious as the Ape Head Nebula has a connection to us. Whether it's shaping the stars of the future or sparking our imagination with its quirky name, NGC 2175 is a cosmic reminder of the beauty and creativity of our universe.